Hello, hello, hello. So this video is going to be way longer than I normally like because I'm going to be making the, well, this right here, okay? Of course, it's a rainbow. We've got a three-leaf clover over here. We've got a pot of gold on the other side, and we have random colors for the rainbow. This can also be a hat, but rather than me chatting all the way, let's just put it together, okay? So we're going to start with the cloud. So we're going to do white. Blow it up all the way. Kind of tie it so the end is loose. That way it makes the braiding easier. Once again, tie it. There. So we get about another, 5-6 fingers when we do it that way. I'll just, little bubble, another little bubble, tie those together. Take a third balloon. Right to the end, tie. Okay. As I said, make sure you get right to the end of the nozzle there. You can wrap them around. Any way that'll hold them is good. Okay, then we're going to do braiding. I do the braiding from the up. I know some people do it underneath, but anyway, just, and I don't go like extra tight here. I find if I really squeeze the balloon, then it makes it kind of hard at the end. You end up with a very, very, very tight balloon. So that's about as far as I need to go. I'm going to spin that around a few times and spin those around randomly. Then we're going to straighten the cloud, however we have to do that. So there is our cloud. Then I'm going to pick, I always pick red to start my my rainbow, so we're going to start with red again. Blow it up all the way, tie it. I guess that one I tied and I rolled the knot. You can right here, about 2 fingers. You want do a pinch twist there. If you don't want a pinch twist, then don't put one on. Okay, that's how it goes. So I've got my cloud right here. I'm going to stick it in. Then we're going to go to the very end again of the red, that is. Give it a little twist and push that in. Now the thing about the braid, maybe I should have said that, is we basically end up with two sets of holes that put the balloon in there. I only use one set. I mean, if you want to get real complicated, you can, like I've got a red one here, you could put another color here and another color right there and another color and just keep going. You do that. That'll, for me, forget it. I'm not that patient. It takes too long. Okay, that's just how it is. So we're going to pick another random color. This is Imperial Red. It's an interesting color. I don't really have any specific uses for it other than using it. It's like, some colors, like blue for dolphins, right? Or red for hearts, but Imperial Red, I don't have a specific use for it. So if you have a specific use, please let me know what you use it for. Anyway, so we're going to put our second one in here, and I always say, try to make it as big or as small as you want. I am going to try to put 4 colors of the color of the rainbow. Anyway, here, I'm just going to, hopefully you can see, I'm going to do a pinch twist. Hopefully my light up there isn't distracting you too much. There, just twist that camera a bit. Okay, we're going to make some noise. Bang. There it is. You can either tie this up or not, totally up to you. Push it through. Just for speed, I'm not going to tie it up. Okay, so we've got that so far. And let's see, I'm purposely not using green, and I'm purposely not using yellow or gold, because that will be on the pot of gold, or of course a three-leaf shamrock there. Let's see, what other color will we get for no reason at all? I'm going to use eucalyptus green, when I just said I wasn't going to use green. I guess I lied. There. So, with all of my videos, if you have any questions, you have any requests, let me know. I'll see if I can help. I'm pretty much giving the money back guarantee. If you don't like this video, I will give you your money back. There we go. And we're going to loop around about that far. Once again, I'm just eyeballing it here. I know that just about everybody watching is better than me, so they have a much better way to do this. And just no reason at all, I'm going to tie this one on just because I want to. There we go. This video is already 5 minutes long, and so thanks for watching at least 5 minutes, okay? So, there we go. Then we're going to take another color, and I'm going to use orange. Now, I am going to make this one just a little bit different. I blew it up quite a bit. And we're going to make this into a hat. This one's a hat. If you got this far and you know how to do it, I think you know how to finish it. So we're taking the orange one, pushing it through. Okay, about that right there. Eventually, I'll make that into a hat. You can also put your eucalyptus, and that will make the hat. Either one is fine, right? Okay, now we're going to get the... we're going to take a lime green shamrock, and sorry, let's pick up this one again. This is my showing one. So this here is the shamrock. I'm going to make kind of this version here just to, you'll see how I do it, okay? Right there. Or, I mean, obviously, looks like that. Oh, I should say that this shamrock here was, I'm pretty sure I got the idea from Jonathan Fudge. Posted it probably 10 years ago. Anyway, so thanks, Jonathan. I appreciate your help in showing everybody how to do some balloon stuff. I am just searching for, what am I searching for? I'm searching for a little bit of dark green. Well, I guess I got it right here. Okay, so I'm going to take about 3-4 fingers, give it a tie, cut that off. Then we're going to take our green, lime green, and so what I'm going to do, I'll use this as the example. I'm going to do the slightly bigger loop right here than the two smaller ones. Then I will attach the dark green to here, and whatever we have left is stem. Okay, so slight soften. I'm going to go about that big. However that big is for you. For me, it is a bit bigger than my hand. Okay, then we're going to soften it again. Then we're going to do a couple that are smaller than my hand. So slight squeeze, twist, push that right there. Now if you want, you would put a pinch twist, a double pinch, pinch twist on one side, pinch twist on the other side. Just to be totally different, I have decided to take a couple of dark greens, push that in, tighten it up, because the thing is, you do have seven sections of balloon right here, and 7 sections doesn't want to fit flat, right? Anyway, twist, squeeze that, you know, kind of a bit of a triangle type thing. Do the same here, the same there. And I find myself, now you can do whatever you like. If I do the stem first, like this one here, I did the stem first, and I couldn't get it to lay flat because the stem was too firm. This one, you can soften the stem, and then these other balloons have somewhere to sit. Okay? Once again, you're better than me. You can do the reverse, but I can't. That's why I'm doing it my way. Anyway, we're going to slightly soften, and let's grab my... Yeah. Right here, I will put that shamrock on there. Oops, see, it popped out on me. I do find that you can make these very, very big, okay? Very healthy size. Pull that off or tie it off, whatever you want. That's totally your choice, okay? Now back to my pot of gold right here. Now, this is a 5-inch round, and this here is a 260. And then we've got a cluster of yellow, which will be the gold. I've got, hopefully you can see a double pinch twist right there. I'm going to do the top of the pot of gold just a little differently. Just so as you can see, I think if you can put that together, you'll be able to put the other one together. So we're going to take our black right there. Oh, and we're going to need to have a little bit soft because I do have a very small bubble at the bottom, and that's how I tie the pot of gold onto the rainbow. Okay, so let's grab, once again, we'll take yellow, tie it onto the black, and then I do a series of 3 bubble, 1, 2, 3 bubble combinations, and again, so 3, and I just keep doing 3s, okay? 2, 3, wrap that around once, twice. Oopsies, one of my 3 bubbles come apart. So just to keep it simple, I'm only going to do 3 or 1 more set of 3 bubbles. Normally, if I'm making this, I do more than 4 sets of 3 bubbles, but you know, you're bored, I'm bored. Let's not make this video any longer than it has to be. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it like that. Like I said, simple. Just hopefully for better viewing, we're gonna take a blue one here, and I'm gonna do a bubble pinch twist, bubble pinch twist, bubble pinch twist. Okay, and about 5 of those should be good enough. So what do I got? 3 so far, and then 4, and then 5. Okay. There. So we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will go underneath the gold and on top of the pot. And we're gonna pull those tight. I like to take the nozzle of the blue balloon, or normally black, wrap it back, get rid of that, do the exact same thing, wrap it around one of the pinch twists. That just holds everything in tight, okay? Now, hopefully, with all the work, I haven't made this too tight, which I might have, I'm not going to lie. Okay, so we're going to squeeze, little pinch twist, or sorry, little bubble. Hopefully you can see the little bubble there. And grab it and put it on the end of the rainbow. Wrap it around once and twice, right? Just enough to hold it. And there we have it. I'm going to keep this short. I think you'll pretty much know how to put this onto a hat. You go this way or you go this way. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any requests, let me know. Other than that, please have a wonderful day. Bye for now.